Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 5. Next topic, proper fractions. Look at this. Observe the following fractions: 3 upon 4, 0 upon 6, 4 upon 12, 12 upon 15, 1 upon 2 and so on. All the above fractions have following properties. First is all the fractions are less than 1. Second is the numerator of these fractions are less than denominators. Third is they lie on the left side of 1 on the number line. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Now next, improper and mixed fraction. Let us divide an apple into two equal parts, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Three such parts are equivalent to an apple and a half apples. 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to, fraction is 3 by 2. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 upon 6, 29 upon 12, 34 upon 15, 6 upon 2 and so on. All the above fractions having following properties. First is all the fractions are greater than or equal to 1. Second is the numerator of these fractions are greater than or equal to the denominators. Third is they lie on the right side of 1 or no or on 1 on the number line. Such fractions are called improper fractions. Okay. Observe the following fractions: 1 3 by 4, 5 4 upon 15, 6 1 by 2 and so on. All the above fractions have following properties. All the fractions are combination of a whole and a proper fraction. Second is they can be easily converted to improper fraction and vice versa. Such fractions are called mixed fractions. Next topic, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Divide your numerator by the denominator and get the quotient and the remainder. Look at this: denominator, quotient, numerator, remainder. Improper fraction is written as mixed fraction as shown: quotient, remainder upon divisor, denominator. For example, express 17 upon 3 as a mixed fraction. 3 5 is 15, remainder is 2. Hence, the mixed fraction is 5 2 upon 3. Okay. Alternate method: 17 upon 3 is equal to 15 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 15 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 equal to 3 5 is 15. 5 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 2 by 3. This is alternate method. Now second example, express 23 upon 5 as a mixed fraction. 5 4 is 20, remainder is 3. The mixed fraction is 4 5 upon 3. 4 3 by 5. Alternate method: 23 upon 5 is equal to 20 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 20 upon 5 plus 3 by 5. 5 4 is 20 plus 3 by 5. Mixed fraction is 4 is 3 by 5. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fractions. A mixed fraction is converted to improper fraction by the rule shown here. whole number numerator upon denominator is equal to whole multiplied denominator plus numerator upon denominator. For example, express 4 5 upon 6 as an improper fraction. 4 5 upon 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 plus 5 upon 6. 6 4 is 24 plus 5 upon 6. The fraction would be 4 5 upon 6 is equal to 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 upon 6. Okay. Equivalent fractions. Next topic. Two equal part shaded portion. Fraction is 1 by 2. Shaded portion 2 part 2 upon 4. Shaded portion 3 part 3 upon 6. Therefore, these are called equivalent fractions. An equivalent fraction is one that has the same value and position on the number line but has a different denominator and numerator. There are two ways of finding equivalent fractions. First is by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by same number. Second is by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, find equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 equal to multiplied by 2 upon 2. This is numerator, this is denominator. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. Fraction is 2 by 4. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied 3 by 3. This is numerator and this is denominator. 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. Fraction is 3 by 6. For example, find the equivalent fraction of 15 upon 35 with the denominator as 7. 15 upon 35 is equal to, find the value of this upon 7. 15 divided by, find the value upon 35 divided by, find the value. We know that 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 35 is divided by 5 is equal to 7. So the value of this is equal to 3. Next, like and unlike fractions. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 29 upon 4, 34 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Look at this, denominator are same. All the above fractions have the same denominators. Such fractions are called like fractions. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 upon 9, 29 upon 12, 19 upon 34 and 6 upon 8 and so on. All the above fractions have different denominators. Look at this. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. The shortest way to find the simplest fraction is to divide the numerator and the denominator by the SCF of the numerator and the denominator. Okay. For example, find the simplest fraction of 15 upon 35. SCF of 15 and 35 is 5. So we divide 15 and 35 by 5. 15 upon 35 equal to 3 upon 7. 15 is divided by 5 equal to 3. 35 is divided by 5 equal to 7. So fraction is 3 by 7. Simplest form of 15 upon 35 is 3 by 7. Okay. Comparing fractions between two parts, comparing like fractions, comparing unlike fractions. Comparing like fractions, look at this shaded portion 1 and total number of parts 16. Fraction is 1 upon 16, shaded part 3 and number of parts 16, 3 by 16, shaded part 5 and number of parts 16, 5 upon 16. Can you tell which fraction is the largest? 1 upon 16, 3 by 16, 5 upon 16. For two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with the greatest numerator is greater. Therefore, 5 upon 16 is greater than 3 by 16 is greater than 1 upon 16. Okay student, write down the question.